Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you the Tyndall and lightning eyes effect on CapCut. So here I've already add a video and I want to add like the Tyndall and lightning effects. So what you need to do is just go to body effects, and first you need to go to the hardware and find the lightning effects. Okay, this one's right here. Adjust it if you want. You can adjust the color, so I'm going to go with this colors right here, and then you can also adjust the speed. I'm going to lower the speed, and then you can also adjust the intensity, and then after that you can go back, click on the check icon first and add another effect, another body effects, and now go to body, this one, and add the Tyndall effect. And in here I'm going to adjust the color so it aligns with the previous alignment color I add. So I'm going to go with 88 and I'm going to adjust the intensity, and then click on the check icon, and then I'm going to add last effects. So in the body effects, go to the hardware again and now choose the eye reflection. Okay, this one, and then again you can adjust the color into whichever you like. I'm going to go with 90. Okay, I'm going to lower the intensity, and then here after that you can just adjust the position of where you want to put the effects. So I'm going to just it like this, and then let's see the result. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.